What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1964 Corvette. This Corvette has a believed to be 327 up under the hood. A good running motor with a 4-speed transmission. If you haven't seen the test drive video, do so. This one runs and drives awesome. In this video, I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. It also helps for future cars to show you what kind of cars that we buy. Starting up here in the front, checking out the bumper. It's not perfect. It does have little scratches, chips, some haziness. Both sides here, it looks like they buffed into the paint. Kind of hit the edges a little too hard. We're going to be popping the headlights up here shortly. The drain holes on the hood, but there is a little crack on this one. Tires are in good shape on this car. Hopefully it doesn't start raining on us. It's trying to spit on me out here. The trim is kind of beat up around the window. Seen a lot of cases where they use like a little rubber mallet to try to put the trim on, and they beat the fire out of it. It's got some touch-up marks. Side pipes are an awesome feature. That reminds me of a muscle car anytime I see side pipes on one of these. Back bumper's got some rash on it as well. Little piece of chrome missing on that one. Something you always got to remember with the Corvettes in this year, or 70s, 80s, there's a drain in here you have to clean out. Make sure water doesn't fill up in it, otherwise it'll get into your gas tank and then your car won't be running right. Notice on this windshield, it looks like they've got it taped up. I don't think you can actually roll it down. I tried to roll it down when I started this video and I noticed it was kind of stuck. I was like, oh man. So that one's gonna need to be repaired, that window. Probably came off track and they just put some tape in there to keep it from falling down. Here's your numbers on the block. Let's see if I can get to them. That's how I identified the motor. It's a 378-2870. Those numbers will tell you what size motor it is, and then you got numbers up here on the front of your block. Match to the VIN if it was the original motor. I do not believe this is the case on this one. Make sure I didn't miss nothing here. Let's go ahead and check the inside out. A little bit of wear on the armrest. Lots of paperwork with this car. Got your manual here. A bunch of receipts and stuff in there you can go through. They'll go with the car. See what I'm talking about on the door here, or on the window. Kind of propped up. They got some silicone on here too. Weather stripping looks like it's got some age on it, but it's still soft. It still should be doing its job. Carpet's not too bad in here. Does have a few little stains for your feet. Kick up and get it dirty. Let's go ahead and start it up. I'm not gonna try the windshield wipers just because they don't have any blades on them. I noticed that first thing when I got in here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Our tip gauge does work. It's coming up. Oil pressure's sitting at 40. RPMs are working as well. It's showing 50,000 miles on the dash. Gas gauge is about half a tank. Couldn't get the radio to cut on. It's like a digital radio here. I don't know if it could be a fuse, nor the air. Fan is not working. No AC on this car. Sometimes you can jiggle these old clocks and they'll just start taking off, but that one's not working either. Got a great sound to it. We'll go ahead and try the headlights. I can't tell if both sides flipped up, but I know this one did for sure. Just had to hold it a little bit longer. One's a bit faster than the other. It's got a lazy eye right now. So you got the switch right here. Hold it up a little bit longer. We'll see if it works. It did. Good deal. Headlights are popping up. Go ahead and shut the hood down. It is starting to sprinkle on me now. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, give you some undercarriage shots. Light scratch on the hood here. There's a buff mark over there I've showed you earlier in the video. Just got a little too deep there. Can't trust everybody to buff your car, especially one like this. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots real quick. start up here in the front. Go ahead and wrap this car up here. I do appreciate you watching. If you haven't seen the test drive video, please do so. It's very informative. See close to 100 detailed pictures on my website at maplemotors.com. We also have a full list of our inventory, what's still available and what isn't. There's finance options and shipping available on that site as well. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. You can see all the classics rolling through here every day. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.